Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 13/6/2022 and the time is 7:41. Uh, what to say? It was a bloodbath actually, and literally our numbers, our timings, what we predicted yesterday, the candle, the magic candle of Nifty, it was a real rocker today. It was a real rocker today. So anyway, we'll go to the PPT and then we will see what discussed yesterday on a weekly forecast. The video was already uploaded in my YouTube channel, so you can go back to that and then you can see today's video also. So now let's go to the PPT. So this is the weekly forecast, clearly given all the bearish signal. And when Bank Nifty future closed below one magic number, I clearly said it is a very, very bad sign. And below this number, it gave 1,500 points today. So whenever this is the one magic number, whenever it closes below this number, it is extremely weak. And you have this number from the expiry date. From the expiry date, when the June expiry started, you had this number. And it closed yesterday, and you have seen 1,500 points fall in Bank Nifty future. Okay, all this is fine. And what I was literally amazed to see is this one. Yesterday we predicted that mark June 13th June, this candle, which is the miracle candle, 12:15 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. candle today. Okay, and we mentioned this yesterday, and you can go and verify in the video also. And today the exact low happened at 2:15 p.m. candle, and it was a booster move after that. And this candle was predicted based on the past performance which happened many years before. So that's why we always say history repeats itself, and see how miracle happened at 2:15 today. And today our timings was literally rocker, and it literally rocked today. So let's go and we will see all that. So now let's go to our WhatsApp group and see what all we discussed and how our 907 number rocked. Okay, so let's go here. This was the first thing, and our, just a minute. Everybody was talking about ADR, opened 7%, closed, and all that. I clearly mentioned in the video, nothing will happen. Whatever happens there, nothing will happen here. I don't know how these people are doing their researches. Anyway, so now this was our number, 907 number. Buy not initiated, sell initiated 15,853, and it came all the way very near. It achieved all these targets. 907 was a rocker, and our future number missed our fifth target by a margin of 15 points. See, this number I give at 9:30, but 907 number before the market opens, and that will do blender. So this I will give before the market opens. So if you see the timing, it is 9:10 a.m. So before the market opens, I give this number, and it was a rocker, all target achieved. And I've given the weekly game changer number also, that I've already posted in my PPT, so you can go and check. And the first timing was 11:35 to 11:40. What's this? I'm going to show this in chat. Okay, so this was predicted at 11:09. Okay, so this is the first timing, 11:35 to 11:40, and the second timing was, I think second timing I gave in my timing group. In my there's separate group which I have for timing. So I gave in that group, and the last miracle is this timing. And this timing was predicted at 2:09. 2:09. Make or more break at 2:25 to 2:30. 2:25 to 2:30. So this was the timing. Let's go and see what happened in the chart. Okay, so now, so this is Nifty 50. And this is our 907 number, 15,886. Buy above 15,886, sell below 15,853. So buy not initiated, sell initiated, came down, and this was our first timing. And the first timing, the stop loss was only 14 points. And this candle was holding more than 7 candles inside. This 5 minutes candle, this timing candle was holding more than 8 candles, and the next candle was a bumper below candle, and it gave solid 100 points. solid 100 points after the second candle, and this candle timing was given in my timing separate group I have. So I've given this timing, and this was the miracle candle which happened at 12:25 to 12:30. Sorry, 2:25 to 2:30 candle, which I predicted at 2:09. Okay, so once it went up, you can see the move of and see more or less this was a bottom, and more or less this was the bottom. But if you go to hourly candle, so this timing literally wrapped today, and if you go to hourly candle, this is what I mentioned yesterday. The 12:15 candle to 2:15 candle is the crucial magic candle which we need to watch out for in Nifty spot, and see how bang on it made the low on 2:15, and the next candle was the rocker, and we are able to catch this candle based on 2:25 to 2:30 minor candle, and this was the bigger candle. Now this candle will be used for many months or many years also. Kindly mark this high and low of this 12:15 candle to 2:15 candle. See the magic of what's going to happen within this candle. It will be a premium meeting session within this candle. The stop loss is not hardly more than 120 points or 120 points, but within this level it will eat the premium. It will eat the premium, but break above, simply you can buy, or you can sell this put, which is 15,700 put. We can simply sell once it closes above this candle, at least for 30 minutes. So it was a miracle candle, and which we predicted this yesterday, even on this market big gap down happened, but still we are able to predict this yesterday itself, and it was a real rocker. Okay, so now always remember, see today again, it came and touched 16,000, 15,670, and took the support and all that, and more it goes and touches that number, it is going to get weaker and weaker and weaker. And this is what I mentioned in my yesterday's video, also weekly forecast video. So today also it touched, so break below that number and close below that number, solid 400 to 500 points cut will be there in Nifty. So kindly watch it. So it is very crucial. So now I've given all the daily numbers tomorrow. So what happened today? Again, Nifty held this 19th May low today. Even Bank Nifty also held this 19th May today, but it closed below the 26th May low, which is not a good sign at all. And if you go to Bank Nifty, same, it held this 19th low, which is 33555, but it closed below to 25th May low, so which is not a good sign. And for Bank Nifty, this candle we predicted yesterday. So no, not yesterday, I think we predicted on Thursday itself. This was the mega candle which you need to watch out for, and see after it was a gap down, and it's a phenomenal move today. Anyway, we are holding our short. We have not covered our short because in fortune signals it has not given us any buy on 5 minutes or even 15 minutes. So we have not bought anything, but we are able to capture the entire move based on 1 minute fortune signals. It was a miracle move, and we are able to catch the full fall based on 907 number. On the timing, we are able to catch the upside also with the help of fortune signals 1 minute candle. So if you want, you can go and check here. So this is 1 minute candle. Okay, so I'll remove all my numbers. So this is how Nifty futures opened, came down all the way, came and touched this blue color line, short initiated here, came down, again came down, and this was the number today, 15,813 was our sell number, 15,813. And I gave this number to my Telegram followers also today. So they also made money. And from there, it came all the way. This was the number. From there, it came all the way. And once that 255 candle has come, it has given a buy here at 237 itself, and we are able to capture this top also. But we squared off this long. We don't hold any long. We are holding short only, and we sold the calls. So we have not gone bought put and all. Yesterday we bought very small quantity, but we covered. We are holding our call short, which we initiated on Friday. That's a portion which we hold as of now. So now I will remove this. Okay, so that was a blunder in this market, which we are able to predict. So that's why I always say history repeat itself. So now let's go to tomorrow and see what's our view. Okay, so now kindly mark this high and low. Kindly mark this high and low. Below this number, it is bearish. Within this number, it's going to hit the premium, but the gap is too huge, too huge. And always remember, I want to show you one thing. So which I forgot actually, I'll show you one thing. See, always remember, whenever the market takes the major support, actually this was the major support, 15,680 was the major support, or 15,670, and it happens with a gap down, and when it tests this major bottom which happened previously, then this gap will be filled very soon. So this gap will be filled very soon. So watch out for tomorrow. And tomorrow is the trend change date, which is the third trend change date. So first 15 minutes, high and low, will do the magic. Always remember this rule. Whenever the market takes, touch the previous bottoms, and if it happens with a gap down, possibility that it will go and fill this gap. So it will go and touch roughly around 16,200 also. So watch out for tomorrow. But tomorrow, first 15 minutes, high and low is the key. And tomorrow's high and low, it's going to be a major day to watch out for in the month of June. And why it is, I've already covered in my weekly forecast video. Kindly go back and check why 14th June is very vital. So kindly go back and check my YouTube video. So now, whatever I discussed now, I've already put in everything here. Nothing more to take. So now bulls has to breathe till they can breathe till it holds that 215 candle low. Okay, and all this we have already done, and this was worked like magic, which we predicted yesterday. Okay, so chalo, now there is no TCD counter for tomorrow, so nothing to worry about it. And this is the number for spot, this is the number for Bank Nifty spot, this is for future, and this is for future, Bank Nifty future. Okay, so now let's go here. Intraday number is okay, so this is also become bearish. So it clearly says, unless and until Nifty doesn't close above this number, Nifty future doesn't close above this number, it is bearish only. There is no need to do bottom fishing here. At least to wait for a confirmation of one candle closing below the previous day high, then think about going long. Otherwise, this market will be sold even if it goes up. As of now, we will take 14th high and low is the benchmark. Tomorrow's high and low will be the benchmark. Okay, so only this intraday number is positive. And if you go here, only this intraday number is positive. And I have given all the numbers, resistance of Nifty futures, supports, everything I've given. And here also I've given everything for Bank Nifty future. So this is must to hold, but it has failed. So it is again red. So now that's all. I've given all these updates in the share, so you can go and watch in my PPT. And most of the stocks are definitely below all this. So that's all. Nothing more to talk based on charts and other stuff. I've already shown you until now. If you see here, 1 second. So it is below the Ishimoku cloud. So 100% it is bearish. So the 1 hour candle itself, it is bearish. And you can go back and check my weekly forecast video where I covered Nifty in very detail. So you can go back and check the video in case if you want. You just go here. Anyway, you know my YouTube channel, so you can please go and check that video. And that's all. Nothing more to talk. It is bears market. So let's see whether 14th high and low is going to give some kind of breather to bulls to sustain. And I know how many people are in pain, and this is what we are telling from 18th October. The video is already available in YouTube channel, and we clearly predicted that 18th October is a game changer date, and 19th was the top out, which happened in 2021 October, and from there we are seeing wherever, whenever it goes up, it will be sold. So as I already told you, let's see whether there will be some kind of a bottom formation tomorrow based on astrology. Then there will be a rally towards July 16th. But if it breaks again 15,670 and close below, believe me, we are in for a major problem. Major problem. I am seriously looking at 14,933 is my first target if it breaks and closes below 15,670 level. Keeping the fingers crossed. Let's see. Today market respected all our numbers. Pranam to market for respecting our numbers and timing even in this market. And many people are scared to go short in this market when the market opened. But we went short in the market, and we are able to capture the 100 points down move as well as the last 1 hour up move also based on our timing. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye. And again saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07 Nifty spot number. Bye.